Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily and quickly pin contacts and messages on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to write comments at the end of the video, and be sure to put your likes. And let us get started with you. Please open the messaging app on your iPhone. Then, if you want to bookmark any of the conversations, tap on it and hold it down. Then tap on the word Save. And as you can see, such a dialog for a conversation will instantly be pinned at the top. If you want to unhook this conversation, then also click on it and hold it down, and then select Unhook here. And also in a second or two, this conversation will be unhooked. But I will tell you at once, friends, that you can fix not more than 3 conversations in your messages at the same time. If you want to pin more than 3 conversations, they will be mutually replaced. Friends, this is a quick and very simple way to pin contacts or messages in iMessage application on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please give your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.